How to verify your ID on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on Coinbase. Now, verifying your ID or verifying your account on Coinbase is quite simple. If your account isn't verified, or if your ID isn't verified, if you open up Coinbase and log into your account, now I'll just open up Coinbase real quick, then it will give you a pop-up notification to verify your account right away. So we'll just give you a pop-up to upload your ID and verify your account. As you can see here on the screen, I just opened the application and it says upload your photo ID. So this is the verification process. You'll have to prepare your document. The document, make sure your ID is valid and doesn't expire within the next 3 months. To verify quicker, you want to choose a document that clearly shows your address. You want to check your environment, make sure you are in a well-lit environment and your internet connection is stable. You want to make sure your details are visible. Your first name, last name, birth date and address should be clearly visible. Similarly, upload a document in English. We can only accept documents that are in English. Unfortunately, documents in other languages will not be accepted, as you can read it right here. So once you have all this prepared, you can split up and continue. Select your ID type. In my case, only the driver's license is available, but in your case, other certain ID types will be available, and you can choose it and you can go ahead and submit all the details necessary by following the prompts and submit it. And if you submit the information correctly, your ID should be verified. So this way you can verify your Coinbase ID. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.